later.
Little bit, see?
Yeah, man.
Safe flight.
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Look who is so beautiful and peaceful and happy this morning because she slept so well. Good morning! Look who woke up with that pain behind her eye. It's me. This hairstyle is called the Queen's English. I'm gonna run out of names soon. Ozzy.
Yeah,
Ozzy?
yeah,
Yes, mommy?
and mommy.
Do you know that everybody loved your singing for Ivy?
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, gone again. Okay. Oh,
I want to. I show me my the truck.
you showing Ivy your monster truck?
Yeah.
Please be careful with it over her, though, okay? Good.
Get the monster truck.
Wow.
It works. It works on the top. And just go. Able on the move.
She's very excited. What a good way to show her.
I want the police car. I like the idea.
You have so much entertainment, don't you? It's the time of day when the boys kind of descend on Ivy. Where's that smile, Alice? Alice, you're a trip. What? Your statue? Where's my son?
Here he is. Din 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 din.
Alright, it's time for Ivy's first nap, so I'm gonna get her down.
Mommy.
Yes.
I share my
first nap.
I share
Yeah, she's
my
having a nap
wobbly
today.
tooth.
No.
I share my wobbly tooth.
You have a wobbly tooth?
Yeah.
Ow.
I crack.
That's true?
Yeah.
Mommy,
Okay.
mommy, look out.
Oh, you do have a wiggly tooth.
Nanny.
Oh, all these boys growing up.
I crack.
Oh dear, let me see it. Oh my. Guys, I just spent some time sorting through Ivy's clothes again because, believe it or not, she's in 3-month clothing, as you guys know, so I just had to get out the 3-month stuff. I am packing away the 0 to 3 months now because most of them don't fit her, but I have a couple people who need, and I'm hanging on to stuff in case Tessie needs. Just like I get hand-me-downs, I always make sure to pass clothes on, donate clothes, all that good stuff. So right now the first set to be put away are the newborn and 0 to 3 months. Can't believe it. It's just, I said today on my Instagram, because Ivy is 8 weeks old today, that nothing in parenting is permanent. Everything is temporary. They're changing so quickly. So yeah, kind of made me sad. Woke up with a pain behind this eye today, like a migraine. It was because of my hair. My hair was actually on top of my head, and it was just pulling at this one part. So yeah, anyway, let's see what happens today.
Ivy, are you here?
Good morning. Uh-oh.
Good
One more for good luck. Hi, Boozy.
Hi, Booty.
Hi, Boozy
Ivy,
Dane.
Ivy.
I'm the
Ivy.
Good morning.
I'm the good.
Good morning, Atlas.
No, it's Ivy Hyvy, because when you say bye to her, it means that she's going.
Yeah, okay.
Ivy Hyvy.
Ivy, Ivy.
Yeah.
Hi, Ivy, Ivy. That
Wait,
makes a lot of
cause
sense.
she's a bee. Ivy bee and Ivy Hive. Ivy bee.
I see how you're connecting all of those words.
Ivy Hive.
Ivy.
She's gonna go and get her honey. Are you gonna go and get your honey? Cause look at those flowers she loves.
And she's sweet like honey. Wake up with a piece of crick neck. They say, if you see me, I go so. And I go so. Neck kinda sleep bad panic last night. We soon go to swimming. Alright, swimming time. We have a little bit of work going on outside here, so we just a cast off a little place where the drainage is.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Dude, are you guys the minions or something?
Yeah. If you notice, me and Ozzy said yeah at the same time.
Well, I'm despicable me.
Oh, that is despicable. And that is Gru.
I'm Gru.
Yeah.
Why
That is
grew
Gru.
that? Why grew?
Magafoot Gru.
You know who's Gru? I'm Kevin, the oldest one. Yeah, I'm Kevin. You're Ozzy's Bob.
I'm not Bob.
Okay, so we're heading to swimming now. You guys looking forward to swimming, right?
Yep. Wait. You know.
Kill me for going
Okay.
swimming.
Well, I'm Kevin. Ozzy, you're Bob, and Atlas is Stuart. Wait, Stuart is the bad one. No, Stuart is the one that smashed my head on a board and almost killed me. I'm the fighting man. Yeah, I know how to fight too. I'm a bunny rabbit.
Crick neck. Jamaica have any superstition around crick neck?
Wait, that's it. Daddy, why do I look like I'm orange? Oh yes, remember when I watched The Rise of Gru, which is basically Minions 5. Daddy, you're not
We
listening.
need to find another movie to go watch at the drive-in.
That's true. Wait, but aren't they closed?
They're closed? You
Yeah.
said they're closed.
Didn't they like shut down because of like a lack of people?
Oh, and I think they're still open for business.
Okay.
Good job. Turn them out. Excellent. See, once you know how to do this, Oz, put the bottom back up. Thank you. Good Atlas. Just allow the water to go. Good job. Atlas, you're such a good learner. Hi, 10 Atlas. Diving princess. You did it. Are you my squishy fishy? Squishy fishy. Come, ready? Face down. Close your mouth. Go. Up. Boom. Hi. Good job.
No, you have to sing.
Go. Look at this champion. Ready to the steps. Catch Zaya. Head down. Yes, Osby.
Nice.
Come again. Fly like Superman. Look at those bubbles, Ozzy. Again. You're swimming?
Yeah.
I'm smooth. I'm smooth.
Excellent, excellent job.
Awesome.
Awesome, awesome. Good job. All right, hope you want to
So
hop
good.
so Daddy Humpty Dumpty. Come. Go.
Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty. Who is Humpty Dumpty?
Careful, careful, careful,
Hold on,
careful.
not too
Atlas.
shallow there for you, Atlas. You have to go down. Okay.
The boys are at swimming. We just come home. My wife make a smoothie for me. Smoothie.
It's a roughie.
No, you know, a roughie me specialize, you know. But she make a smoothie. It's nice, it go down nice and smooth. But you know the roughie.
You know you love my smoothies.
No, it's shell, it's nice. It tastes good like the one them at the store.
Smoothie them. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Smoothie.
Nice, that was fine. So guys, you know me staying in the morning, my brain ever take some Wayne's wise wisdom. Wayne's wisdom. Wayne's words of wisdom. So this morning, I remember say wisdom, you know, is a couple letters short of is dumb. So we can't do the is dumb, we have to do the wisdom. Anyway, do you know the saying, a jack of all trades is a master at none? Do you know that phrase? Tami, did you know that's not the complete phrase?
Of course I know that.
Of course you know that. No people don't know that, because from me little till now,
Meaning I would do it because I'm a jack of all trades.
she's a jack of all trades, right? And we are jack, you know, go chef it Wayne, teach it Wayne, DI Wayne, and the list goes on and on and on. You know, so me say diversify. But anyway, back to the phrase. Did you know that the original phrase is a jack of all trades, yet a master at none, is oftentimes better than a master of one? So it was never a disrespect to the jack of all trades originally. It was highlighting how good it is to be good at a lot of things. Because at the end of the day, if you only master one thing and that industry crash, what got to you? I got crash with the industry. So a lot of times it's good to diversify yourself. Diversify your options in life. Don't be afraid to keep options open and be able to pivot and shift and see them. YouTuber, me a YouTuber now. Right now, I entertain me say, you know, so if it's to make people laugh, me there with it, you know. If it's to sing a good song, me there with it too. You understand? A Tami teach me them style there. And she's a multi-potentialite.
Multi-passionate.
Multi-passionate.
Multi-purpose.
Multi-picnic.
Multiply.
From she pick me, she said multi-picnic. Multiply. I like that. That was a good one.
I'm so tired. It's almost time to go for the boys. Oh boy.
So the gist of what I'm saying is, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone, learn new things, explore new passions that you might have that are dormant in your heart. Don't be afraid. I know somebody out there needs to hear this. I know it. I'm sure. Hey, my Ivy. You giving daddy smiles?
Big smiles for
Hi.
Dad.
Hi.
She
Hi,
had an
mommy.
outfit change. We both had an outfit change. Mommy showered and you look so pretty.
Yay. So
As we
cozy.
turn off the camera. Watch.
Whoop, whoop,
Told ya.
whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Gio, wagwan. MTM family. Gio been missing in action for a couple of days. He went to Ochi with his grandma. You had a good time?
Yeah, man, a good time. But I want ask the people that saw me there. If you now watch this right now, big up yourself, you know. Make your presence known in the comments, you know, man. Look for it and pin it, you know, man.
That is it.
That is it.
Alright, so you say you see some first cousin down at Ochi there?
Yeah, man, and them give me a good time and them take care of me down there, man.
That's nice.
That is it, man.
Love that. Alright, we're gonna go up on the road for a little bit, isn't it? I'm gonna watch you with them.
Have it, man.
Yeah, I do it.
I do it.
Alright, so you're a moment for this one, the fourth.
Yeah.
Boys, you guys okay?
Yeah.
Everybody eat up?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
I eat up.
You eat up?
Yeah?
Good.
Let's get our ice cream now.
Ice cream now. Okay, I'm gonna set up some cones for you guys, alright?
Yeah. Oh.
Daddy, don't forget to get some corn syrup.
Corn syrup. For
For experience. That's how you make the jelly bottles. You just have to put corn syrup.
what are jelly bottles?
Jelly bottles with the jelly that you squeeze out and you numb it.
Oh, you name it?
Yeah.
You name it?
Can I get some corn syrup, please?
Okay, buddy. We stepped out quick. We're at the supermarket picking up a few things for dinner, as you guys might have overheard. So, yeah, so out and about.
I know stockpile meat, that's why we're here all the time. Oh my god, my head is hurt. You can actually see that this is the eye that's a problem.
Anyway, between your headache and my neck ache, I don't know if I will get out.
Speak for yourself. What shall look pan? What shall look pan while ago? No sir, a drama this.
So you have to look for Mr.
Go on, yeah? I keep telling him that if he just sleeps on it, like by tonight, once him wake up in the morning, it will be 85% corrected in the morning.
No, but no, you see how it feel? There's somebody out there in the world who can just go so quick and I eat that.
A chiropractor can.
And it done gone?
I miss my
Relieve me?
chiropractor. Yes!
Say God no.
God no. We can drive got mobile right now.
So who there town can do them something there?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Damn, yo.
Oh, it would have probably have fixed my headache too. If I could have just get one little adjustment.
Trust me now.
But you know there are people who are like proper against chiropractic. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No. Chiropractic when my back creak is like
No, a lot of people are
everything.
against it. A lot of people
sort out.
say it's not real or something like that. But I enjoy it. In the past when I've done it, I've really enjoyed it. And I remember like even one time when Jackson couldn't crawl or something.
I think if you don't know what you're doing, you can do more harm than good.
Yes, but that's why you got to somebody good.
Specialist, yeah.
An actual chiropractor. I love to watch those videos online. You know, like some people love to watch mukbang, which I love to watch. I also love to watch chiropractic videos where they're like,
you like to watch out when people are take out wax out of people's ears.
love those videos. And Dr. Pimple Papa.
And pimple popping. No, people talk
You
the
love the
truth.
pimple popping.
No, if it come up in my timeline, I'm a sis like I wait and I forget through
Yes,
it because I can't.
I saw that he was watching somebody, what was
Toenail
it?
extraction.
Taking out an ingrown toenail. It bothered him so much he had to show Gio. So the two of them,
was
just
sick.
as bad.
Was sick. We are
Did you
sick.
watch those videos, guys? Just be honest. Tell me what your favorite
Be
videos
honest in the
was.
comment section. You know it's a safe place. We're not gonna leak your secret. If you watch those videos when them pop up on your timeline, yeah,
I
just be
have
honest.
to. Okay, you see if the wax break off or the full thing don't come out, I feel so vexed. Cause why would you post that?
And done it before.
And you done
the
it before
extraction.
it, or got a part 2 for the rest? No.
No, human beings are strange creatures.
Sure. Anyway, I don't know who we end up talking about that. My head have killed me.
Oh gosh. So mommy, everybody on the vlog I say how they look fabulous the other night. You take the whole comment section, boy.
I thought of commenting and I said, oh, how do I do this? But I so appreciate their thoughts and their comments.
The show was good. You saw Tessie perform.
Oh yes, Ceci did a great performance, yes. And she was well received by the audience.
Good.
And of
Okay.
course I was able to link with Pops.
Oh, you saw Pops?
Yes,
Okay,
and
okay.
Brandon, we all sat together as a matter of fact.
Okay, good stuff. So Gia leaving tomorrow. You have to hug him up.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Guys, summer is coming to an end.
Already.
Oh. And I couldn't believe it when he said tomorrow morning.
And it's been 4 weeks. It's not like he's been here for a little amount of time. He's been here for 4 weeks.
A whole month.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Imagine.
That.
Driving.
This is her biggest protector here, MTM. This man here. This is Ivy bodyguard for life. Remember me tell you. And I bet say you're gonna give her the best jokes like how you give Zaya the best jokes. I bet you're gonna be her go-to laugh guy. The people them still are going the moment.
So beautiful. I don't know how to do it.
Let the people them see that one. Chicken and fry, you feel like a KFC. And more fried chicken, I MFC this.
That's funny.